Okay, and we're in Chapter 3.2, Example 3 on page 204, but we're using the key concept box in 204, and the example is actually on 205. So, looking at that, if you have two numbers and you're adding them together, and one has a positive and one is a negative, so here we go. Here's a positive to be understood, positive 5 and negative 3. So you take the absolute value of both, and that's the distance. And this time, because they're opposite numbers, or different numbers, different says subtract, you're going to subtract 5 minus 3, and you get yourself 2. And so you ask yourself, is 5 is the larger of the two absolute values, and the sign of 5 is positive, so this answer is positive. And this would be like, I have $5, I just spent $3, I have $2 left. And number 4 is, find negative 3 plus 2. So they're different signs. So I take the absolute values and I subtract them. 3 minus 2. That's the distance. And I'm going to get a 1. And this time I look at 3 as the larger absolute value, and the sign of 3 is negative, so it is negative 1. And kind of a story would be, I owe my mom, good old mom, $3, and I just paid her off $2, and I still owe my mom $1. And so let's do letter D, and it says 6 plus negative 7. And they're opposite signs because this is understood to be positive 6 and a negative 7. And so we're going to take the absolute value of 6, subtract. That's a subtract, 7, because they're different signs, so you subtract them, and you get a 1. Now you have to look at the larger absolute value, which is 7, and the sign of it is negative 7, so it is negative 1. A story like this would be like, I owe my mom, no, I have $6, and I just spent $7, so now I'm in the hole $1. And let's look at E. They are opposite signs again, negative 15 and a positive 19. They are different signs, so you take the absolute value of both, and you get 15 minus 19, and so you're subtracting them, and it doesn't matter which one. You get a 4, but you have to ask yourself, is it a positive 4 or a negative 4? So you go back to the original, and 19 is positive, so the answer would be positive 4. So this would be something like, I'm in the hole $15 for my mom because I borrowed it again, and I just paid her back 19, and so now I have $4 that Mama is holding for me. I hope this helps. Bye-bye.